Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
I didn't see you get on. No matter how many times I've been relocated, I never get used to it. Well, end of the line.
Welcome to City 17.
This stuff
You have chosen
You the only ones on the train?
to relocate to
All right,
one
I'm
of our
moving.
finest
Jesus.
remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefactors. I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so, whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts of the world, welcome to City 17. It's safer here.
You, citizen, come with me.
63 is illegal in operation. In progress. Response.
This must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
No, I'm good. Back up. Yeah, I'm gonna need me some privacy for this.
About that beer I owed you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa. Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras. I've been working undercover with civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman! I expected more warning.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Well, Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Well, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover. Pile up some stuff to get through that window and keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
Let me read out my response. Dear Dr. B, why does the compound seem fit to suppress our reproductive faculty? Sincerely, concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, concerned. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses, with all its associated hopes and fears for the future of the species. I also detect some unspoken questions. Do our benefactors really know what's best for us? What gives them the right to make decisions?
Watch report.
This is how it always starts. First the building, then the whole block. They have no reason to come to our place. Don't worry, they'll find one.
Authorized.
Let me read out.
Watch copies.
Oh, I thought you were a cop.
He's one of us.
Thank you for writing. Concerns.
Can't take it anymore.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What are we going to do?
We'll think of something.
Hopes and fears for the future of the species.
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block. Cooperation with your civil protection team. Permit full ration rewards.
Hey, you! In here! Head for the roof! There's no time to lose!
Attention. All citizens in local residential blocks resume your inspection position.
Get in here, quick! Keep moving, head for the roof! Get going!
Over here! Ha! No, you don't!
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
Attention.
You better hurry.
Person of interest.
The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.
Local protection team immediately.
Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen. Through here.